Today I'm going to show you my favorite way to make the Ideal Protein Lemon Matcha Green Tea. I like to make it gingery and a little more lemony and just really very refreshing. I love to have it either in the morning, I could have it warm, or I could have it after a workout and make it nice and cool and refreshing in the afternoon. I'm going to make the Lemon Matcha Green Tea that is from Ideal Protein, and I've already put hot water into my teapot, and I'm going to open and stir in the green tea here. So I have a cute little frother that I really love. It's this guy here, and so simple. You can buy it on Amazon.com. It's about $10, and I just use it here to froth up the green tea, and I'm gonna let that set, but in the process of letting it set, I'm also gonna let it cool off. So I'm going to put some ice cubes in here and cool it down, because when you make the green tea packet, you want it to be cold. It's not gonna blend well with hot water. So this is the Lemon Matcha Green Tea mix from Ideal Protein, and that's what we're going to incorporate together. So we're gonna let the tea seep a little bit, cool down, and then we will see the final green tea. The easiest way to peel ginger is just by using a spoon. And so you're gonna just peel off the edges of the ginger, and then we're gonna grate a little bit of it into our tea. All right, so this is cooled down a little bit. We're gonna take our ginger and we are going to grate some of that into the tea. I also am going to take a half of a lemon, and I'm going to squeeze that into the tea to give it even more of a lemony flavor. We're going to take the Ideal Protein package here. So this is just like lukewarm now, because when it's hot, it doesn't gel well. So you don't want to try to use hot water. I'm going to put this in here and use my little handy frother. Hope you can see that. And just froth in all of the Ideal Protein tea here. So this lemon matcha drink, you know, in 80 calories, you get 18 grams of 90% absorbable protein. So that's just like a huge amount of protein with full amino acids that will help you to burn fat and to retain your lean mass. So that's the whole point of Ideal Protein. And now we're going to pour this lovely green tea. I just drink it right out of my Ideal Protein cup here. And enjoy a nice, flavorful cup of tea this afternoon. So I hope that is something that interests you, and that you will try something new, some new flavors, because it's nice in the afternoon or with lunch to have your tea. You can pair it with a salad, and it's very refreshing and good for you. Love the ginger.